Hello Casio from all over the world. Last weeks I have bought a watch that had no straps. Therefore I have to acquire one. It was difficult. Yet China came into my help. I have bought 3 straps and you will help me choose which one fits the best. Stay tuned to see which one I have chosen. Would you choose it the same?
I've got here the 729W. This is not the watch that I would like to present you, because what I have here is the 728W. Now this watch, it is in a pretty bad condition, not as bad as I would expect. It's a little dirty, the colors are faded, and this might be dirt also. The watch is working, all the pushers work. We've got some pretty cool specs here for this watch. I'm not sure the release year of this watch. As I've checked on the internet, the calendar starts in 1995, so the release date would be towards 2000. What I will do next with this watch is clean it a little, see how it is its current condition, because we have some dirt here and the lug area, for sure it's dirty. What I can see, which is very interesting, is that it respects some of the older models features, because we have this adjust pusher which is hidden in the case, just to avoid pressing it and change the time by mistake. After that we would try to find which is the best strap for this watch. I have got here 3 straps, all for Casio. Unfortunately, I could not find the original strap. The original strap, it is this one. This is the original strap for this watch, and unfortunately I cannot find it. Yet I have found some 90mm straps for it from Casio for sure. Now I would start the cleaning process. I will just use some toothpicks so that I can clean it only mechanically, and I will use the wood because I would not like to damage or to scratch furthermore the watch, as it is also in a pretty bad condition. I will just try to clean it. So sit back and relax a little. This is the amount of dirt that I have taken out from this watch. It was pretty dirty, and I would say that now it is in a quite good condition, quite clean. We can see a lot of scratches, especially on the display. As mentioned previously, the color is completely faded, but in the rest the watch did not suffer any mechanical damage. I have here some dent, looks like that it was burnt with a cigar. I'm not sure. Some visible scratches on the display. In the rest looks pretty good. What I will do is open the watch first to see how it looks inside, and secondly, I'm sure that we would find some dirt beneath the back case. Wow! I am completely surprised in a positive way, because the watch is quite clean. I'm not sure if it is visible on the camera, but some small dirt is on the edge of this back case, and I can see that the battery, it is a CR2025, a big battery. It is Renata, and I am positive that this battery was replaced, because we can see that also the arm that secures the battery, it was not placed correctly. So in order to replace the battery, you would have to take down the back case, and here there's a small clip. What you would need to do is a needle, put it like this, and press it towards you, and the clip would be released. And then take out the battery, put a new one, and then put it And here it might be that my watch is damaged. Why this is not securing? It's okay, it's here. I will just bend it a little. It has to make a clicking noise and it does not make one. Should I take out the module to see? Let's take it out. I will just lift it gently on each side so that I would not lose it. Yeah, I hope it is visible on the camera. Here has to be some clips, some shoulders, and this ending of the plate should be blocked by those shoulders, and in my case the shoulders are gone. I do not have anything to do, just leave it like this because it will never be closed. As I'm looking on this display, I see some additional points. Is this display bleeding? On top you can see that there are some additional markers, or something is missing on it. Do you see? This is a large display and we can see here additional markers here on this side, but normally on the dial we should only see those 3 circles, and on top we've got additional pixels, and here also additional, and here also additional. Is it bleeding? I'm not sure. Please let me know into the comment section. Alright, now let's put back the dial and be careful not to touch the interior of the glass, because I would not like to leave some fingerprints. First I will try to clean it here because I have some dirt, and also on the back case, but not under the camera, from the interior of the case. I guess this watch comes from Sahara. Now let's fastly assemble the watch. First, what you would need to do, make sure that the pushers are pressed outside. In this way it would be very easy to put the module inside, and also make sure you put it into the correct position. What I have forgot to tell you, after replacing the battery, here is the AC pin. You can see it, the hole right next to the spring. What you would have to do with a tweezer, make short circuit in between that pin here and the battery or of the back of the back plate. Now I have cleaned it, and let's assemble the watch. I have to be careful because I need to put the back case in the correct position. So this is the top. The top has to be with the Casio logo. Let's talk about the features of this watch. So this would be the timekeeping mode. On the bottom side we have the time. On top we have the date. On top of this display we have 3 circles that counts these seconds. Well, I'm not a fan of these circles, but yeah, Casio does it like this. So timekeeping mode. The split reset pusher does not do anything in this mode. The start stop, if you press it for 2 seconds, that small icon disappears, which means that during hourly signals or when the timer ends, the backlight will not open. If it is on, the backlight will open in parallel with the sound. We have also the light pusher, which opens the electro lume. Then we have the adjust pusher. So long pressing adjust We enter into the time and date adjustment. Now we can see that the seconds are blinking. Now we are into the time and day adjustment. With mode, we toggle towards the desired value that we need to adjust. With start stop, we increase the value. This is minutes, then comes the year, then comes the month and the day, and again seconds, because we do not have anything else to adjust. Hitting adjust again, we save the values. Then comes the mode pusher. The first mode, it is alarm. We have the possibility to adjust one alarm, but you can see those lines. This means that we can adjust the alarm somewhere into the future in a specific day. The next mode, it is the timer. Now I have set up 25 minutes as timer. With start, we can see the circles that are moving, which means that the timer is running. Stop, and with adjust, we reset it again. The last mode, it is the stopwatch. Start, stop, we can do a split or a reset. And this would be all the features that this watch has. No big deal. What else would you need from a watch? I've got here 3 straps. Let's see which is the best for it. First strap, it is for the W740. This is the strap for the W740. I will leave an image on the side of the display so that you can see also how it looks. This is how the watch looks with this strap. I would say that it fits pretty good. Do you agree with me? I'm sure that the quality, it is not that great, and it will retain a lot of dust on it, because I have a similar resin strap from China and they catch all the dust. Let's see the next strap, how it fits. The next strap, it is for W-290 or 340. It is still a 90mm strap. The watch is looking good also with this strap. It will be very hard to choose the strap. The next strap is for a Forester watch, if I remember correctly. It is still a 90mm strap. I'm not sure which one to choose for this watch. I'm not sure. I think I will stick to this DW strap or to the W740. I'm not sure which one to choose. Which one to choose for my watch? I will take the 740. I will take and put the 740. Yep, this is what I will do. I will stick to this strap. Let's assemble it.
Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope that you like this watch, not necessarily to love it, but it is a cool watch to have it in your collection, in your Casio collection, if you are an addicted fan like I am. But yeah, thank you and see you next time.